Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to lesson 8 of your Google AdWords Mastery Home Study course. In this lesson, we are going to learn about ad extensions. So let's get started. There are 7 types of ad extensions in Google AdWords ads. Site links extensions, location extensions, call extensions, app extensions, review extensions, callout extensions, and structured snippet extensions. You may not need to use all the extensions because depending on your type of business, you may need to only use certain extensions. All these extensions are pretty easy and straightforward to set it up. We will look at one by one what these extensions are, and then I will show you live inside my AdWords account how to set up these extensions for your AdWords ads. So the first one, site links extensions. So site links are extra links below the main ad. It doesn't always show up and it is not in our control. It shows mostly for brand searches and highly targeted keywords. SEO site links are different. So if you have seen, certain websites have SEO site links. So these are for organic results. They can be removed using Search Console, but you cannot add them manually. But with Google AdWords ads, you can add these site links manually. Let me show you an example. So on the top, you can see digitaldeepak.com ad. So this ad has 2 extensions. These are manually added by us, but it is not in our control whether these site links will show up during a search or not. So usually when someone is searching for our brand, so here in Digital Deepak case, they are searching for Digital Deepak, these site links are more likely to show up. The result that you see on the below part is the organic search result. So here you can see 4 site links. These site links are automatically generated by Google and it is not in our control. When it comes to AdWords, it is in our control. To remove organic search results site links, you can remove it using Search Console, but you cannot add it manually. Google will automatically look at your website. They will see what the top pages are and they will add it as site links extensions automatically. This is for organic search results. For paid search results, you can add it manually. I will show you live inside my AdWords account how to add these site links manually. So the next type of ad extension is location extension. Location extension are good if you have a physical storefront. So here you can see someone is searching for pizza and Pizza Hut official site is showing up. Automatically based on their location, the nearest Pizza Hut store is also shown here. So for this, you have to link to Google Maps, and this shows the address and the Google Maps link below the main ad. So it is useful for offline stores and business fronts. The next type of ad extension is call extension. Call extensions are of 2 types. One is desktop call extensions and mobile call extensions. You need not set it up separately, but it shows differently on both the devices. So you basically add a business phone number to the ad. Mobile ads show a call button for direct calls. As you can see it in the right side image, people searching on mobile can click on the call button and the call connects directly. For desktop ads, it just shows the phone number without any ability to click on it, because obviously you cannot click on a phone number on a desktop and connect the call. The next type of extension is app extension. So here if you have a mobile app, you can add these extensions. You can give a link to Android or iOS app from the ad. So right side you can see in this example, someone is searching for Amazon. It also shows get the Amazon mobile app because they are searching it on a mobile. So it shows Play Store links for Android users and iOS links for iPhone users. That is App Store links. So scheduling options are also available with this extension. Many extensions come with scheduling options as well. So next type of extension is review extensions. So here you can add third-party reviews to your ad. So understand that these reviews are not reviews given by your customer, but these are reviews done by a third-party website or a company, and you can add these reviews here. So publications are the best source for these kind of reviews. The source needs to be included for verification by Google. So if your website has been reviewed by some other company and if there is a review, mention the source there and you can include a quote. This quote can be an exact quote or it can be a paraphrased quote, and this can be added along with your ad. The next type of ad extension is call out extensions. So it adds an extra line to the description. So what you can add in callout extension is something exciting, offers guarantees, something like free setup, or something like that, which makes the ad more attractive. So here you can see there is a callout extension which says free shipping, 24/7 customer service, price matching, etc. And the next type of ad extension is structured snippets extension. Here you can add different types or product variants of your product. So here you can see shoprush.com. This particular ad extension has something called types, and it is showing the different products that they have. So this is basically to showcase variants or highlights of a product. So if you have multiple product categories, you can include it here. Price extensions are basically the last type of extensions that we are going to discuss about. This mostly shows up on mobile text ads. So here you can list different types of products and different prices relevant to these products. So this is not available for desktop as of now. Now we have had a look at all the 7 different types of extensions. Now let's get on to the actual live demo, and I will show you inside my AdWords account how to set up these extensions. So here I am inside my Google AdWords account, and I have clicked on the tab called Add Extensions. Inside this I have selected Sitelinks extensions, which is the first one. So here we don't have any extension set up as of now, so I am clicking on Add Extension. So here you can click on New Site Link, and you can add all the details here. So the link text, final URL, device preference, and description. So as you had seen in the previous example, when I searched for my own brand name, you could see that there were description and link text available. So we will have a look at it. So I just searched for Digital Deepak in Google, and you can see these are the AdWords ads that is showing on the top, and Digital Marketing Course and Contact Deepak, these two are Sitelinks extensions, and this is the link, this is the header, and this is the description that I have given in the AdWords account. So these details you added here. So here you have scheduling options, you have separate URLs for mobile, you have site link URL options as well. So the next type of ad extension is location extensions. You just need to select location extensions from the drop down menu, and you have to click on add extension. But here to add location extensions, you have to have an integration with Google My Business. So this particular email ID which I am using for AdWords is not connected to Google My Business. So only when it is connected to Google My Business, I will be able to add the location extension here. The next type of extension is call extensions. Call extensions, as we had already discussed, will help you show your mobile number on desktop and place a call button on mobile searches. So basically you click on call extensions, and here you click on add extension. You can select a campaign. I am selecting LDM here. And here you can add a new phone number. So this phone number you can verify it with Google, and once this phone number is verified, you can add the call extension here. The next type of extension is app extension. You just need to include the link to the app along with the ad. So I am just clicking on add extension. Click on add new app. So if it is an Android app, you can look it up here. So I'm just searching for one of the apps which is not mine, but it is one of my friend's apps. So I'm just adding it here, and this is the final URL that it has given. So I can click on save, and this particular app is added as an extension, as simple as that. We'll remove it for now. The next type of extension is review extensions. So here you can select review extension and click on add extension. New review. So here you just need to enter the review. You can enter the text and the source URL here. It can be a paraphrased one, or it can be an exact quote. Exact quote is something that you take directly from the source and put it here. Paraphrased is something that you have rewritten it, and it has scheduling options as well, but I wouldn't recommend scheduling it because review can show up all the time. We have callout extensions, as we had already discussed. Click on add extension. So here click on new callout, and here you can add the callout text, and this will show up as a callout extension. We have structured snippet extensions as we had already discussed. Click on add extension. New structured snippet. So here you have different categories. So we already saw one example which have types. So example t-shirts, mugs, bags and pins. So you can add types of your product that is available here, and this will show up along with the ad. The last one, we have price extensions. Click on add extension. You have to select a campaign for this. Click on add new price extension. So here you can enter the type. So it can be events, locations, product categories, product tiers. So let's select product categories. Currency is US dollar, or you can choose a different currency as well. INR is not available here. And here you can add the different headings of the product, its description and its price. So this is how you add price extensions. So extensions, automated extensions report is reporting. So here you will get reports of whether your ad extensions are being clicked or not. So that's it for this chapter. We learned that there are 7 types of ad extensions, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.